Now children, we will revise chapter 20 apostrophe. Okay. So children, when do we use apostrophe? We use an apostrophe to show to whom a thing belongs. Okay. So apostrophe tell us to whom thing belongs to. Okay. So let us see. Children, this is how you write apostrophe s. Okay. You have to keep in mind whenever this comes, you have to read it as apostrophe s. Okay. Now children, look here, example of apostrophe. Tom has a guitar. Okay. So children, here we are talking about object. Which object? We are talking about guitar. So whom does guitar belongs to? Guitar belongs to Tom. So here we can write it as Tom's, okay, Tom with apostrophe s to show belongingness. Okay, Tom's guitar. Okay, is it clear to you children? We can write name of a person with apostrophe s to show belongingness to a object, and here object is guitar. So sentence will be Tom's guitar. Okay. Now let us see one more example. This pen belongs to my friend. So this is a sentence that this pen belongs to my friend. We are assuming one pen that belongs to my friend. We can write the sentence as this is my friend's pen. Okay. So children, here we have added s to friend to show belongingness to whom does pen belongs. Okay. This is my friend's pen. Okay. So children, what we have learned, that we use apostrophe s to show belongingness to person. Okay. Now children, we will learn about apostrophe with short forms. Okay. Beta, turn to page number 9090. There is blue box on page number 9090. Look over here children. Yes. Okay. Sometimes we join two words using an apostrophe to make a short form. So children, what we do, sometimes we join two words using apostrophe to make a short form. We omit one or more letter and use an apostrophe in their place. So children, we omit or we remove one or two letter from a word and we use apostrophe in place of that omitted letter. Okay. Let us see. Look over here. I am. So I can write I apostrophe am. Okay. Here I have omitted a from I am, and in place of a I used apostrophe. Okay. Now look over here. They are. In this, I can write this as they apostrophe re. I will read it as they are. Okay. And in this also I have omitted a. Okay. And in place of a, I have used apostrophe. Okay. It will become they are. Now children, look here. She had. So how can I write she had? She apostrophe d, and I will read it as she had. Okay. Here I have omitted h and a. Okay. She had. Look one more. I will. Short form for I will be I double L. Okay. In this I have omitted W and I. So what it will become? I apostrophe double L. I will. I will read it as I will only. Okay. Now children, we will revise bookwork of this chapter. Open your book, take out page number 89, question A. Rewrite the following phrases using apostrophe S. So children, some phrases are given to you. You have to rewrite them using apostrophe S. Okay. So children, look at number 2. Bag that belongs to Stella. So children, in this sentence we are talking about bag that belongs to a person called Stella. So what we have to do? We can write name of a person with apostrophe. So how we will write it? Stella apostrophe S, Stella's bag. B-A-G, bag. Okay. So answer is Stella's bag. Okay. Now children, look at number 5. Number 5 is hut owned by the farmer. So here we are talking about hut that belongs to farmer. So we will write farmer with apostrophe S. Farmer apostrophe S, farmer's hut. H-U-T, hut. Okay. Now children, let us move further. Children, now we will revise question B. It is on page number 90. So look at number 3. So first I will read question for you. Question B is use apostrophe S with the nouns given in brackets to fill in the blanks. So children, some nouns are given to you in a bracket. You have to use apostrophe S with them and fill in the blanks. Okay. Look at number 3. My dash friend bought me two bars of chocolate. C-H-O-C-O-L-A-T-E, chocolate, and in bracket word father is given to you. So children, we will write father with apostrophe S. It will become my father's, F-A-T-H-E-R, apostrophe S. Okay. My father's friend bought me 2 bars of chocolate. Here we are talking about chocolate that my father's friend has bought. Okay. Now children, look at number 6. Number 6 is the pages of the book were torn by dash brother. And in bracket Sam is given to you. So what is the sentence? The page of the book were torn by dash brother. So here we are talking about whose brother? We are talking about Sam brother. Okay. So we will write name of Sam with apostrophe S. Okay. The page of the book were torn by Sam's brother. Okay. Now children, look at number 8. Yusuf went to see his favorite dash movie. And in bracket actor is given to you. So children, number 8, Yusuf went to see his favorite dash movie. So children, here we are talking about favorite movie actor of Yusuf, because in bracket actor is given to you. So children, whose movie it is? It is Yusuf's favorite actor movie. So we will write actor with apostrophe s, because whose movie it is? It is Yusuf's favorite actor's movie, okay? ACTOR with apostrophe s. Okay, sentence will be Yusuf went to see his favorite actor's movie, okay? Now children, we will revise question C. It is on page number 91. Open page number 91. Question C. Rewrite the following sentences using the short forms of the underlined words. So children, some sentences are given to you and there are underlined words in those sentences. You have to use short forms for those underlined words, okay? It is on page number 91, question C. So we will do number 2 first. They will take her to the doctor, okay? We can write in this sentence, they will is underlined. Look over here, they will take her to the doctor. They will is underlined. So children, short form for they will be they apostrophe double L, and we will read it as they will take her to the doctor, okay? Short form for they will be they apostrophe double L, they will take her to the doctor, okay? Children, you have to learn all the short forms very thoroughly by heart, okay? This will help you to do any questions regarding short form. Now children, look at number 4. It is raining heavily. Underlined word is it is, okay? Look over here, it is raining heavily. Number 4, we will write it is as it apostrophe s, okay? We have omitted I from is, okay? And it becomes it's. It's raining heavily. Now children, look at number 6. You can come with me if you are not busy. Underlined word is you are, okay? Look over here, okay? So children, we can rewrite this sentence using short form as you can come with me if you apostrophe re, okay? We have omitted a from ARER, okay? You are not busy. Sentences, you can come with me if you are not busy, okay? We can write short form of you are as this, okay? So children, I hope you have revised chapter 17 punctuation and chapter 20 apostrophe well with me. Do watch recorded videos which have been uploaded earlier Keep revising, keep learning. Thank you.